If you're seeing a fix ElevenLabs Error 403, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons this happens and how to fix it step by step. This is a super common issue when you're trying to use premium voices, professional voices, or cloned voices, or when your request is being blocked by an IP restriction. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check so you can get back to generating audio without wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the first possible cause, account or plan restrictions. If you're on the free plan or the starter plan, ElevenLabs may block access to certain voices, especially premium voices, professional voices, or cloned voices. So the first thing you should do is log into your ElevenLabs account and check your current subscription level. If you're trying to use a voice that requires a higher tier, you may need to upgrade your plan before the request will work. This is important because the error is not always caused by a bug. Sometimes it simply means your account does not currently have permission to access that voice. Once you're inside your account, go to the plan or billing section and confirm what tier you're on. If your project depends on a specific voice, check whether that voice is included in your current plan. If it isn't, upgrade to the appropriate subscription and then try the request again. In many cases, this alone will resolve the 403 error immediately. If you are testing with a cloned voice or a professional voice, this step is especially important because those voice types are often restricted to paid tiers. Now, let's move to the second common cause, IP restrictions. If you're using the ElevenLabs Developer API, your request can be rejected with a 403 error if they come from an IP address that is not on your Allowlist. That means even if your API key is correct, the request may still fail if the server, app, or device making the call is not approved. To fix this, open your ElevenLabs developer account and look for your IP Allowlist or security settings. Make sure the IP address you're sending requests from is added there. If you're using a local machine, double check whether your public IP has changed. This can happen if your internet connection resets or if you're on a dynamic IP. If you're using a server, hosting platform, or cloud environment, verify that the outbound IP matches the one on your Allowlist. If the IP is missing, add it and save the changes, then test the request again. If you're still getting the error, it may help to temporarily test from an IP that you know is already approved so you can confirm the restriction is the issue. Another good troubleshooting step is to confirm that you're actually using the right account and API key for the request. Sometimes a 403 error appears because the key belongs to a different project, a different workspace, or an account that doesn't have access to the voice you're trying to use. So make sure your credentials match the same account that owns the voice and the same environment that is allowed by the IP Allowlist. If you're a developer, also check whether your request is being sent from the correct backend server and not from a browser or device that isn't authorized. In many setups, the request looks fine at first, but the true source IP is different from what you expected. That is why security settings and Allowlists matter so much. So here's the quick summary. If you get a 403 error in ElevenLabs, first check whether your plan supports the voice you're trying to use. Upgrade if needed, especially for premium, professional, or cloned voices. Then check your developer IP Allowlist and make sure the request is coming from an approved IP address. If both of those are correct, verify your API key, account, and project settings. I hope this video helped you fix the ElevenLabs Error 403 quickly. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and leave a comment if you want a walkthrough for another ElevenLabs Error or setup issue.